For billions of years, our solar system has drifted in the eternal dark. 8 planets orbiting a quiet star, but silence can be deceptive. From the winds of Neptune to the storms of Saturn, from metallic anomalies buried on Mercury to an invisible force tilting the sun itself, there are secrets, fragments of an ancient truth, hidden in plain sight. NASA calls them mysteries. Some call them evidence. Tonight we journey through 10 enigmas that defy logic and whisper of something they are not human. Who watching us from beyond? Number 10. The dark spot on Neptune. In 1989, Voyager 2 approached the coldest planet in our solar system and saw something that shouldn't exist. A massive vortex, thousands of kilometers wide. A great dark spot that appeared and vanished. Neptune's storm should fade slowly, but this one disappeared almost overnight. NASA's explanation that it's a natural weather pattern. But insiders claim otherwise, that instruments detected electromagnetic pulses unlike any atmospheric phenomenon ever recorded. Some speculate the vortex was not a storm, but a doorway, a magnetic distortion left by something enormous entering or leaving Neptune's upper atmosphere. And the strange part is that the subsequent orbits revealed another dark spot forming in the exact same coordinates, as if repeating a signal. Number 9. The metallic snow of Venus. Venus is Earth's closest planetary sibling in size and mass, but the similarities end there. What should be an Earth-like world is a furnace of carbon dioxide, sulfuric acid clouds, and surface pressures that crush landers in hours. Yet Venus hides a mystery on its mountaintops, and that is metallic snow. Radar scans from the Magellan spacecraft revealed that the highlands reflect radio waves far more strongly than the lowlands. The brightness suggested some substance coating the peaks. But temperatures on Venus is nearly 470 degrees Celsius, and that rule out traditional snow. Venus might be experiencing a process entirely alien to Earth, one involving unknown compounds, exotic chemistry, or surface atmosphere interactions we have not observed anywhere else. Until a probe survives long enough to test the mountaintops directly, the metallic frost of Venus remains an unsolved enigma. Number 8. Saturn's hexagon storm. In the upper atmosphere of Saturn, a storm spins in silence. It is a hexagon, a geometric shape so perfect it seems engineered. The storm has persisted for decades, perhaps millennia, never shifting, never breaking. Planetary scientists suggest fluid dynamics, but the symmetry, the precision, defies the mathematics of nature. NASA's Cassini probe detected harmonic frequencies emanating from within, tones resembling a patterned sequence, like digital data encoded in gas. Some now whisper that the hexagon is not a storm at all, but a machine, a massive energy field, ancient and artificial, still humming beneath Saturn's golden clouds. And if it is, who built it? And what power does it hold? Still spinning? Waiting. Number 7. The missing planet. Between Mars and Jupiter. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, a graveyard of rock and iron. But long ago, it may have been a world. Ancient astronomers and modern physicists alike have calculated the Titius-Bode law, predicting a missing planet right where the belt now drifts. Some call it Phaeton, others Tiamat, a lost planet that shattered violently. NASA claims the belt is just failed planetary formation, yet magnetic analysis reveals debris once fused under extreme heat, more like a nuclear blast than slow accretion. Could Phaeton have been destroyed, not by nature, but by war? A conflict so ancient its scars still orbit the sun? What if the survivors fled, leaving behind fragments and whispers that reached Earth as myths of gods descending from the heavens. Number 6. The enigma of Phobos. It's smaller than any moon has the right to be, and closer to its planet than nature allows. Phobos, the inner moon of Mars, is slowly spiraling inward. In a few million years, it will crash into the planet, or disintegrate entirely, but the reason may be far stranger than gravity. Radar scans show Phobos isn't solid. Nearly 1/3 of its volume is hollow. In 1989, the Soviet probe Phobos 2 was lost while orbiting Mars. Just before the signal went dead, it transmitted one final image, a long cylindrical shadow stretching across the moon's surface. NASA dismissed it as a data error, but Soviet scientists claimed the object was real, a structure nearly 20 kilometers long, hovering. And inside Phobos itself, echo patterns from Mars, orbiters reveal chambers, not natural caverns but rectangular voids, aligned with near-perfect geometry. Carl Sagan once suggested Phobos might be a captured asteroid. But asteroids aren't hollow, nor do they pulse with faint electromagnetic signals, repeating every 7 hours, exactly as Phobos completes its rotation. Is it possible that Phobos is not a moon at all, but an ancient relic, a dying construct from an intelligence that once watched Mars, and perhaps still does? Some suggest it's an alien ship that's watching us. Number 5. The metallic object on Mercury. Closest to the Sun lies a dead world, Mercury burned, airless, silent. Yet beneath its lifeless crust, something metallic sleeps. In 2011, NASA's Messenger probe detected an anomaly, a reflective structure over 40 miles long, with thermal readings inconsistent with the surrounding rock. NASA called it an optical illusion, but leaked spectrometer data revealed traces of refined titanium, a material that shouldn't occur naturally there. Even stranger, magnetic pulses were recorded nearby, synchronized with solar flares, as if the object was absorbing and redirecting energy. Is Mercury hiding the remnants of a colossal machine? Or is it still active, lying dormant, waiting for a signal from the star it orbits so faithfully? Number 4. The secret ocean beneath Europa. Europa, a world of ice, but beneath its frozen shell, a vast ocean containing more water than all of Earth's seas combined. NASA's probes detected plumes, water shooting miles into space, suggesting something below is alive. But the readings show something else too. Electromagnetic pulses, rhythmic, repeating, like heartbeat patterns. A classified 1997 Galileo transmission reported a signal that originated deep under Europa's ice, with structured repetition. Was it a geological echo or a transmission? Some scientists claim that if intelligent life exists in our solar system, it may not look to the stars, but upward, from the dark waters of Europa, watching us through frozen glass. Number 3. The mysterious moons of Uranus. Uranus, a planet of pale light and slow rotation. Its moons, cold and fractured. NASA's Voyager, 2 images of Miranda show a moon stitched together, pieces of terrain welded into one, as if reconstructed. Surface scars suggest reassembly, like fragments reattached or repaired. Ariel and Titania emit faint radio emissions, undetectable from Earth, frequencies that repeat in cycles aligned with Uranus's magnetic field. Some researchers believe these moons were altered by something that once used them as outposts or beacons. What if Uranus was once part of a greater network, a silent array across the outer solar system, now long forgotten? Number 2. Oumuamua, the visitor from beyond. In 2017, astronomers spotted something extraordinary, the first interstellar object ever seen entering our solar system. They called it Oumuamua, a messenger from afar arriving first, just like 3I Atlas. Its path defied physics. It's accelerating without propulsion. Its rotation was chaotic, yet precise. Its reflectivity, metallic. NASA labeled it a rock, yet internal documents reveal unusual radar reflections, consistent with hollow structure. Avi Loeb, a Harvard astrophysicist, suggested the unthinkable, that Oumuamua might be a probe, sent intentionally. But if it was a messenger, who sent it, and why did it change course, as if responding, when it passed near Earth's orbit? Number 1. Planet 9, the hidden giant. Our entire solar system is tilted, by 6 degrees small, yet cosmic. Astronomers have detected gravitational traces, strong enough to shift entire orbits, caused by something vast and invisible. They call it Planet 9. But what if it's not a planet? Ancient Sumerian texts spoke of Nibiru, a hidden world that returns once every 36 centuries. NASA's infrared arrays have glimpsed a massive object nearly 10 times Earth size, but data remains restricted. Officials cite inconclusive results. Could this be the true architect of our solar system's tilt? And the reason comets are periodically drawn toward the Sun, as if guided? If Planet 9 exists, then we are not alone in our orbit. We never were. We search the stars for answers, but we never asking what might already be watching. Every planet, every moon, every storm carries a whisper of creation, destruction, or design. Perhaps our solar system is not a random ballet of rocks and gas, but a map, a coded message from those who came before. NASA hides what it cannot explain. Ancient myths tell what science will not. One day, we will hear the signal again, and when we do, we'll realize the architects never left.